Did you know that not all organs are created equal? Well, at least not technically. We're here to tell you about 7 organs that you can live without and how you're able to survive without them. First up on our list is the stomach. The stomach plays an important role in breaking down our food, but life can go on without one. So how does that work? Well, a total gastrectomy is a surgical procedure which cuts out the stomach and joins the esophagus to the small intestine to form an alternate stomach. A person may still swallow and digest food post-surgery, but portion sizes must be smaller and more frequent due to the limited capacity of the alternate stomach. Next up on our list is the thyroid gland. The thyroid gland closely governs metabolism, growth, and development, but you can live without it. Well, the thyroid gland may need to be removed in the presence of thyroid cancer, hyperthyroidism. This is where your thyroid produces an excess of thyroid hormones, or cysts or nodules on the thyroid gland. People without a thyroid gland will need to take a lifelong medication containing the thyroid hormone thyroxine, also known as T4. This is usually produced in the thyroid gland alongside another thyroid hormone called triiodothyronine, also known as T3. Together, these two thyroid hormones play an important role in many of the body's physiological processes. Here's one you may have already heard about, which is the appendix. The appendix stores friendly bacteria that help our intestines to function optimally, but it's not essential for human survival. Surgical removal of the appendix is called appendectomy. It's likely you'll need one ASAP if you contract appendicitis. Next on our list are the humble kidneys. The kidneys act as your very own blood filtering service, removing waste products and other fluids. But not so fast. You can live without one of your kidneys, but the other one needs to stay. Kidney removal is carried out via a surgical procedure called a nephrectomy. Some people donate one of their kidneys for life-saving organ transplants. For others, cancer or kidney damage may require kidney removal. The next one may surprise you. Are you ready? Okay, it's the lung. The lungs are essential for respiration, defending your body from infection, and keeping your pH in check. But one lung can work without the other. The remaining lung can take on the work of the missing lung very well, but strenuous activity may become more difficult. Lung removal is carried out through a surgical procedure called a pneumonectomy. This may be required in the case of a chronic lung infection, injury, congenital lung disease, or cancer. Now just heads up, this one may freak you out. It's the reproductive organs. Male and female reproductive organs, including the testes and uterus, are needed if you want to create someone to call you mom or dad. But they are not necessary for survival. Removal of the testes is carried out by a procedure called an orchiectomy. An orchiectomy is indicated in the case of testicular cancer or testicular torsion. Removal of the uterus is carried out by then a procedure called hysterectomy. A hysterectomy is indicated in the case of endometrial cancer or severe fibroids. The removal of the uterus does not have to include removing the ovaries. Women who have had a hysterectomy can still have children by donating their eggs to a surrogate who will then carry their child. Now you know some of the organs that you can live without. We hope we didn't offend any organ out there. We still know how relevant they are to us, but the truth is sometimes we just need to live without them, like a long-lasting relationship that comes to an end. Let us know on the comments below what organs could have made the list. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future video notifications. And most important of all, visit our main website kenhub.com for all the nitty-gritty about these organs you've just learned about, and everything you need to learn human anatomy. I will see you on the next video.